Like this, bro.
What's happening, people? This is Prajit here with yet another vlog. I'm at the Triumph showroom over here and I'm going to show you guys the delivery of Street Twin today, and it's going to be amazing, guys. Just wait and watch. Here you go, my Rajendra brother.
Happy Dhanteras, Happy Diwali.
Happy Dhanteras, Happy Diwali. But
welcome.
This is where he's working. This is Triumph. अपना हारने वाला बंदा Triumph में, but I'm so happy for him.
Come. Here is the man.
Look who's there.
Yes sir. एक मिनट करो ना या थोड़ा दूर.
How are you?
All good sir, all good.
You know him, right? He's like there in so many episodes of mine. KP. And here's the gentleman who's actually getting the bike.
Hi.
Yes, so he's getting a Street Twin. So today I'm going to show you the delivery of Street Twin, and it's a big day for you.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Sure. This is a 2020 BS6 model of Triumph Street Twin. It comes with a parallel twin 900cc engine. It produces a torque of 80 Nm at 3800 rpm, max power of 65 PS at 7500 rpm. It comes with a dual channel ABS and is loaded with a lot of features. This is one of the best selling motorcycles of Triumph.
Like this, bro. Good?
Yes, very good.
You like it?
Yes.
Do you want to ride it?
Now you need to buy all the jackets.
No? So that is the Triumph Street Twin.
Take the keys.
Can I have it?
Come. What have I
Yes.
It's a bike. Yeah. You have to take it home.
Oh, good.
Rajendra bro, which is your favorite?
My favorite is Tiger GT.
Tiger GT. Which pair is that? ये वाला ना? हाँ, ये वाला. Tiger है.
That's my favorite.
ये मुंबई
I
का
hope I
निकल का
will
डायलॉग
ride
है.
one day.
है ना? I want to see you ride also.
Yes.
अगर ये अभी if he rides and gives me the picture right now, ना, I'll put it over here only.
यार वीडियो आएगी.
Okay.
है ना? राइड करते हुए.
Yeah.
Oh, 300 चला.
पूरा है.
Yeah, very nice.
Excellent.
Great. right trick. The best part is it is waterproof and it's breathable. These combinations, both these combinations, you do not really get other than Gore-Tex. Gore-Tex में मिल जाता है, but ये similar level का है. And look at that. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं जंग पे जा रहा हूँ. कोई तलवार से मार देगा तो मैं नहीं कटूंगा.
And it comes with the back protector, B3O,
Level 3.
shoulder and the arm protector, elbow protector. Hello?
Looks good, yeah.
Really nice, really nice. I love it. मतलब I'm looking stupid with this.
नहीं, zip it
whole
on,
thing.
zip it on.
Parting around.
Zip it on. Rajit, this is good, huh?
है ना? It looks very good. I think हार्ली चलाते ट्रायम्फ का जैकेट पहनना पड़ेगा.
No, you no point.
Cheating हो जाएगा ना?
Brand
But
doesn't matter,
brand
yeah.
पसंद
Safety
आई है.
first, huh? Safety first.
Nice.
I'll show you.
Here you go. Nice. Love it.
Okay. Okay, I want to show this pattern.
Emotion, Shahenshah.
Too good, yeah.
है ना?
What?
So that was the delivery of Triumph Street Twin, and like I'm telling you, these both guys you see, you know, they're like my favorites, yaar. And Rajendra bro, I really miss you in Harlem, man. Sahnaz, I go to the showroom and I'm like, dude, where is Rajendra? And once Rajendra used to be there, I should like chill with him for a long time. But ठीक है, I'm really happy for him that you're here right now in Triumph. अब जब मैं Triumph गाड़ी लूँगा, mostly ये GT, तो डिस्काउंट भी यही देगा ना भाई मेरे को. Alright, that's it for today. Happy Dhanteras, happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to all. Happy Diwali.
To
Take
all
care,
the
be safe.
viewers. Thank you so much.
Subscribe.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
and have a safe Diwali, guys. Cheers.